Google has cut App Store fees for developers on their first million in annual sales. You may recall this topic of conversation around the time that Epic started complaining and saying, hey, this is not cool, this is not fair. And then Apple made a similar decision to basically say, look, Epic, you're suggesting that this is hurting developers. Why don't we just give a boost to those little developers that you're claiming to be fighting for by limiting our cut for them and not for you? Because guess what? You build more than $1 million in annual sales, and it ain't even close. So Google's following suit, and it actually kind of took a while when you think of it that way. Google announced Tuesday it will cut Google Play App Store fees to 15% on the first $1 million a developer makes on Google's store per year, starting on July 1st. After that, it goes back up to the standard 30% fee for in-app purchases and downloads. And yes, this is following Apple's decision, which came in December. And that's pretty much it. It's if you're a small-time developer, you can keep a little bit more of your proceeds, a little bit more of your revenue, as opposed to sending it over to Google. I think it's a good move. I think that's exactly the group that needs it, and where they may dig their heels in. They may take the extra 15% that they were giving to you, hire some more people, advance the app, do a little bit more marketing, reach that $1 million goal, and then end up paying you the 30 points anyway, as opposed to bailing, being like, we can't handle it. And so it may actually act as a sort of stimulus to those individuals as well. But let's not assume that that was the only motivation. Let's assume that they're also gearing up for a variety of lawsuits, just like Apple and Epic. And they're going to sit there and point and say, no, look, we're nice to the small guys. We're nice to the small guys.